Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the October 2024 Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm, which is super exciting. October is my favorite month of the entire year. I just love the freaking fall, the witchy vibes, the everything, which you guys know I had to bust out my Ouija little sweatshirt that I like to wear during the month of October. It's kind of like a classic. I think I bought this back in like 2019. If you've been around for a while, you've seen this. So anyways, and then eyeballs, if you're wondering what's on my eyes, I just did a video testing out the brand new Miss Haven palette from Alter Ego. This is $24. You can use code Connor to save 10%. It is the Pretty Grunge by Huda Beauty dupe palette, which that's $69, so this is a way better deal. So if you guys were wondering and curious, then that's what's on my eyes. I did a little bit of a witchy plum look, and I'm wearing Alter Ego in Jealousy on the lips. I don't know, I was just going for like a fall vibe. It looks good other than the lashes. The lashes are wonky, don't judge the lashes. Anyways, so update, your girl is 2 days away from being 30 weeks pregnant, and surprisingly the fact that I'm sitting down filming videos again is crazy because I've been so tired this whole pregnancy. I've been anemic, my blood pressure's been super low, I've been sleeping more than I've been awake. It's been a whole thing. I haven't traditionally done unboxings. I've just like sat down and done some shorts and stuff like that, but we're back, baby. We got our Ipsy stuff. Beauty Nightmares is the theme, which is super cute. So yeah, we're gonna unbox both of these. So if you're into these types of videos for me where I unbox things or I do anything in general, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe because since I've been absent, I've lost a lot of subscribers. Also in my analytics, like half of my viewers, over half, aren't even subscribed. So it would mean a lot if you just subscribe because your girl is back-ish. At least for now, because the holiday stuff is like my favorite thing. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to opening this. So we're gonna go glam bag first, which is super exciting. Let's pull everything out. Okay, there's a brush in here. We got this brush here, which is from the brand Wing Me. And this is super cute. It's like iridescent purple and black, which is just like totally going with the vibes today. This looks kind of like it could be like a blush brush or like an under eye powder brush, the way it's kind of like shaped. And then we got another one of these little cards. I wonder who the curator is going to be for the icon box next month. Can't wait for those spoilers. Anyways, how cute is this bag? Again, it's like it's giving. Oh, it's so cute. Then we have a little crystal ball. Okay, pink on the inside. First things first, we have from Beauty Stat Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. That's cute. Then we have here a Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown All-in-One Primer and Moisturizer. That one, cannot wait to give a go and try. Ooh. Oh, we have a little baby Fenty mascara. What is this? A lipstick in the shade 01, the MVP. So here's the cute little lipstick. It's red. It's going with the theme. It's a very bright red. It's giving, I just freshly sucked your blood. Cute. I love that for this. Plus going into the holidays, red is always great. And then lastly, we have this thing here from Pacifica. It's the Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush packaging. Cute. We got rose gold and cherry spirits. Okay. I feel like we never see Pacifica ever anymore. Here we go. Packaging. Super cute. Open her up. Oh, yeah, mirror on the back. Love that. And these are the shades. Let me swatch them. Very subtle. Very subtle. Cute. Okay, cool. So that's everything in the Ipsy bag for this month that I received. And then, this is my PR box, by the way. I do appreciate now that they send out their PR boxes and like everyone's got different products instead of like everybody's getting like the same products. Now it's kind of like if you watch an unboxing, the PR boxes are different, which is great. So Boxycharm. And we have our little magazine. Super cute. Y'all, So I did spoilers in a short and like TikTok and Instagram, and there's a couple products that I really was like, I hope I get those, and I got them. I got them. Oh my gosh, I feel like I get like the best boxes. Okay, first off, I'm so excited because I remember swatching this in store back in like January or February. Nope, January or December. I don't know. And I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute, but I'm not buying them. Tarte. This is the blush tape, and this is in the shade pink. It couldn't have been a better shade. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really, really wanted one of these, and I got this one. I already forgot what they look like. So we got a twist. Be very careful. Just barely push product in. Barely where you can see it, because like it's there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I squeezed a little bit more out so I could actually see it. Let me make sure I twist it off. But look at the blush. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked that I got this. This is like, it's everything to me. Look at it sheared out, and it's got that glow. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you, Ipsy, so freaking much. I'm excited. Another product that I really, really wanted was this. It's from Lunar Beauty. Okay, hold on. Let me get this bubble wrap off. They like double bubble wrapped it. That's like unheard of. Y'all, look. And the mushrooms are also giving fall, like for real. Oh, it's the highlighter palette. I'm so excited. Like I have the bronzing palette. I have, well, like the contour palette. I have his blush palette, which we got also in Ipsy a while back, which I have in a box to give to my neighbor because I already had one. And now I have a highlighter palette. Oh my gosh. Look. Look, you guys, it's so pretty. Okay, sugar. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's this. Oh my gosh, that's sugar right there. Let's do Tink, because obviously Tinkerbell. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We have Blossom, which is this pink one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then Sprinkle, which is the darkest shade, which if any of these shades don't work for you, they're perfect for eyeshadows. Love it. Oh my gosh, just look. I'm so excited. Look, oh my god. Okay, this is like the best box. This is like the best box. I mean, it's not like the best box I've ever received, but it's like I got products that I really, really wanted. I'm so excited. Okay. Next up, I got from Luna Magic a glitter eyeliner duo, which is, I'm very intrigued. I don't think I did a spoiler on this. I don't know. It doesn't ring a bell. Ooh, look at this, guys. Okay, what is this side? Oh, okay, so we got one of these here. Okay, well, she's very, very dry over here, so that's not very fun. So hopefully this side's not dry, because like this is the exciting side. It's like this here. Ooh, she's pretty. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Look at her. She's so pretty. Oh, that's my new cat, Rooster. Even though I have a farm and I have like over 150 animals currently. 150 plus, seriously. Right now I have 41 mini pigs. That's insane. Anyways, I didn't name him Rooster. He came from the shelter already named Rooster. Backstory, he was outside of Cock of the Walk in Nashville and was there as a very long-term restaurant, you know, greeting the customers outside, eating out of the dumpster, when a lady's husband that works for animal control, I think, picked him up and brought him to Cheatham County Animal Shelter. And he had been there since June and nobody had adopted him yet, and he was one of the longest residents at the time. And so I was like, Rooster, that's so cute, because I have lots of roosters and you're so pretty and you're so sweet. I believe in going and the animal pick you versus you pick the animal. And he was delightful, and that's the backstory on his name. That's where he resided for a long time until the manager was like, somebody come get this cat. And he's perfect and I love him, and he's giving pumpkin vibes. So, I still love him? I do. Okay, so I'll clean that up later. Oh, he's in play mode. But anyways, this glitter here is kind of like an orangey glitter, which is also perfect for, you know, the season. Next up, I got this Delish lip scrub. I don't know the fragrant flavor yet, but we love a good lip scrub. It looks like it's just clear white. I just want to know what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything, but we love a lip scrub. I am not hating on that. And then lastly, we got something from Tula. This is the 24/7 Ultra Hydration Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Serum. I love Tula products. Tula I buy on my own. I love them. Also, wow, it's like got bead looking things in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's like beady looking. Quench your skin's thirst. Cool. Cannot wait to start giving this a try. Wait, how do you open it? I don't understand. There's like a... I don't know how to open it. Oh, you twist it and it comes up. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, cool. All right, well, this is a very exciting box. Love it so much. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm and your Ipsy for October. Are you guys gonna be doing any like fun Halloween festive looks on your face? Let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.